going on YouTube? We got the 2014 Hyundai Accent, and if it shut off on you at a light, or you try to start it and it just cranks and cranks and it doesn't start, I figure out the problem. You get no power to the fuel pump, and you get no power to the coil packs, but it still cranks. Everything cranks. So what I did to get it going was I saw this guy. He was talking about the ground cables, because on this car they have one ground from this side, from this strut mount to the engine, and then they have another ground from this mount to the battery. And what happens is that it rusts up, and what happens is I guess it doesn't get enough ground. So what I did is I took them off. I cleaned both of them up. I scraped a little bit of the paint and the primer off so this could sit right on the metal, and then I cleaned out my posts. And then I also changed my main relay. Which is this one right here. I just did everything all at once, so I'm not positive that the relay was bad, but it would be one of these two things. So if you get a used one just to troubleshoot it, I would do that. Otherwise, these grounds right here, we got spark, fuel pump is running, everything. So remember, it just cranks, no start. Check your ground, check your main relay. All my other spark plugs are fine. I checked those, so hopefully that helps somebody. I didn't find shit. Good luck.